Here I am in Paris. It's about 5:55 a.m. I'm leaving for Atlanta, and the next time you see me, I will be in Atlanta. Fishing Atlanta style. 23 hours before I have to leave the hotel, going back to Paris, and just gonna go out, grab a quick bite to eat. The Skyway system here is literally like a maze, and I'm always finding something new. That was loud. I was only planning on getting a couple things to eat, but everything in there looked so good, and they were closing up and giving you all this food. They were basically just packing it in because they were pretty much done serving for the day. I'm gonna have to put this on. Center of the screen, let me zoom in, is an AT&T building. To the right of that with a gold dome, you can see the Georgia Capitol building, and out in the distance you can see the air traffic control tower for the Atlanta Hartsfield Airport. And in a couple hours from now, that's where I'll be. And so the next time you hear from me, I'll be back in Paris. This second layover is the 50-hour layover, basically 2 days. Cut a little short by departure delay out of Atlanta. We left there a little over 2 hours late. Then the ride from the airport to the hotel is a little over 2 hours today. So I cut into it a little bit, but I just took a little nap. I'm up, and I'm gonna go out and start seeing some of the sights tonight. And let me show you my gear for today. A camera bag, little extra goodies in there, extra batteries and such, cell phone, the new Osmo camera, and the spare battery over here, sunglasses, and because it is 63 degrees, got a pullover, and of course some euros, and bag to carry it all in. Nothing screams Parisian than sushi. I just woke up here in the morning in Paris. It is now 6:23 a.m. My alarm was set for 8:30. So between arriving 2 hours late yesterday, a ride to the airport which took about 2 hours, and now this, I think I see a theme developing here. Guess it's time to get up and go find 2 cups of coffee. Here's the plan for the walk today. And I'm going to start right here where I'm at, work my way up to Notre Dame, cross over, go to the Louvre, head down on the Champs-Élysées, the Arc de Triomphe, head down to the Eiffel Tower, of course, and then eventually head back to the hotel. Apple Maps is not doing such a great job for this walk. I start here, it's supposed to wind up here, but yet I'm here. Guess what? I'm taking the metro. The Apple Maps fiasco wasn't an epic fail because the subway or metro train I got on took me to the Champs-Élysées, and in the distance is the Arc de Triomphe, and I'm going to head there right now. estate in the Champs-Élysées is probably the most expensive in all of the world.
I can't seem to get over to the left, honey. I'll try next time. Sorry.
Who has to mow that lawn? I know who. The people who mow this building.
The main entrance for the Louvre. Apple Store, Carousel, the Louvre.
Maybe that's the way to do the rest of the tour. The puppies are really hurting and I wasn't going to walk back, but it is the jewel of Paris.
Six sights we saw in Paris today. One of the hottest sights in all of Paris is this.
Motorcycle?
Motorcycle?
Yeah,
It's an
outside.
agency?
They're all burnt up. You didn't see them?
No, no, no. Yes, moto. Yes.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Oh,
we don't know. It's
nobody
just
knows?
Vandalism. I don't know how
Oh,
you say
okay.
that in English, but it's just a person with a bad intention.
So the mystery of the motorcycles, the burnt motorcycles, it appears that someone actually vandalized them, so not a cool thing. Day is coming to an end here in Paris. Sun is going down. My 2 feet are tired and I'm going to try to go to bed 2 hours early. It was a long day, but it was a fun day. I'm going to offload all the footage from the cameras onto the computer and then call it a night.
Are you still here? I'm going to bed. All right? Good night.